If you want to make video group call on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, just start by opening a Google Meet application. Next, you will have to click on the right bottom corner on the new call, select group call, and now select all of your contacts. You can pick something from suggestions, or you can simply click just over here and input the phone number. Now, when you input here all of those colors, click next in the right upper corner, and you have to select this one, create and share a link, because we are calling someone who can't receive calls. So in this case, we have to share a Meet link instead and send it, for example, by using Messenger or Gmail. So over here, we can quickly copy that link with this button and send to someone, or we can use share button, and now we can use all of those communication methods. Then you have to click join, and now you have to just wait for other people that will join into your call. You can also click here, and now you are just waiting for other callers. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.